Are you in Nigeria and tired of saying no money? What if I show you simple, real ways people are making money daily, even with little or no capital? Stay till the end, because number 5 can change your life completely. Nigeria is hard right now. Things are expensive. Jobs are scarce. Survivor is not smiling. But here is the truth. Money is still being made daily. The difference? Some people know where to look. 7 ways to make money in Nigeria. Number 1, which is fast moving, is food business. Food will never go out of demand. You can start with by frying akara and pap, by frying yam, sweet potato on the streets or any busy street, busy corner. You can say shawarma, small chops, and more. You can start as little as 5,000 naira to 20,000. It depends on your capacity. You can start small and grow daily income. Number 2, POS or agent banking. POS business is one of the easiest ways to earn daily cash, because every street needs it and you earn per transaction. Number 3, online selling, that you can use WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, and any other social media platform. This one you don't need a shop. For example, you can sell clothes, shoes, skincare products, accessories, phone accessories, etc. Just use WhatsApp status, Facebook, TikTok to promote it. Number 4 is freelancing. This one is skill based. If you have a skill, you are sitting on money. I mean money. You are sitting on money. If you have skills like you can do graphic design, writing, video editing, etc. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork pay in dollars. Number 5 business is what? Mini importation. This one is very hot. Very hot. Buy cheap products from China and resell in Nigeria. For example, phone accessories, clothes, shoes, handbags, fashion items, etc. And you make huge profit if you do it very well, if you do it right. Number 6 is agriculture. This one is always underrated. It is an underrated gold mine. Yes. For example, snail farming, poultry, fish farming, pig farming, goat, etc. People are making money seriously feeding Nigeria. Number 7, content creation. This one is long-term wealth. Platform like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Create content around your life, business, or comedy. If you know how to make people laugh, you can make jokes. You can crack jokes. Though monetization takes time, but it can change your life forever. Although some people are lucky to get monetized quick within some few weeks or months of starting. Yes. But it can change your life forever. Listen, don't wait for perfect growth. Listen, don't wait for perfect condition to start. Start small, stay consistent, grow daily. That is how people are winning in Nigeria. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also share this video out so it can benefit others. Which one of these business will you start today? Let me know from the comment section. One love, everyone. One love.